Good morning. I am on my way to Capitol Reef National Park. It's the week of Thanksgiving. I got a few days off, and there's a ride down here, a loop, an overnighter loop through the Cathedral Valley that I'm planning on doing. Well, we just turned off the pavement, a little 6-mile stretch to warm up. Now we're on the dirt road. For the end of November, it's actually more mild than I thought it would be based on the weather forecast. It's cool, but it's comfortable. I've got to ford the Fremont River and go down and cross right down there. Oh yeah, that's cool. Well, with the river crossing behind us, we can get on with the business of some serious riding now. Breezy out of the north, and we're plugging along. Well, it's 5:30 and it's getting dark, and I'm still a 3 miles away from camp. I've had to put on some warmer clothes. It's a pretty evening, but I just want to get to camp now. It's funny how it's always nice to start out the day on the bike, but man, it's always nice to get off at the end of the day. So I'm getting a little chilly, toes are getting cold, so I'm just gonna keep riding. It's a beautiful morning this morning. The sun's up, what is it, about 8:30 now, and there's no wind. Beautiful day, can't wait to get on the bike. When I got up this morning, I turned on the bike computer and checked the thermometer on it. About 7 o'clock, it said it was 13 degrees, so I knew it was going to be cool up here. Sections of deep sand on this route. Thankfully, there are not that many. Moo cow. Well, I'm getting to the end of this ride. And I just have to say, I'm in such a good mood. This has been such a perfect day and a perfect little overnighter. Just exactly what I'd hoped for. Awesome.